Not getting results despite spending money on acoustic panels or foam? Then this video is for you. Acoustics. No studio, jam room, home theater, or audiophile suite is complete without it. So if you finally have taken the plunge and invested in your first acoustics package, you probably fitted your room with either acoustic foam or acoustic panels. No, this video isn't about which is better for you. But if you have begun recording, sound designing, critical listening, or mix mastering with your newly installed acoustics, have you found yourself satisfied with the final quality of your productions? Or did you honestly expect more than what you got from your investment? Hey everybody, I'm Roshan George Thomas from E-Flat Acoustical Solutions and PerfBass Advanced Acoustics, holder of 3 patents in applied acoustics for effective low-frequency absorption and complete room designs. Here with the 5 minutes acoustics breakdown. Today's topic: why isn't your acoustic treatment delivering satisfactory results to your production quality and workflow? Let's dive into it. Whether you bought acoustic foam or acoustic panels, the first major overlooked factor is the surface area of coverage. Absorption devices are usually compared amongst each other depending on how well they absorb all frequencies of sound, but especially the low frequencies. But no matter how effective any absorption device is, if you do not have sufficient coverage distributed across the entire surface area of the room, you will find that your recordings, stereo imaging, and final mixes all fall short compared to your peers and competitors. The second overlooked factor is the quality and quantity of absorption. You want balanced absorption across all frequencies, but this is no easy feat and is often trivialized, and is most likely why you are not getting the optimum results for your room. This is also where critical acoustic design makes a significant difference, factoring in the required coverage of absorptive elements with the optimum balance of absorption across the entire frequency range, and being designed specifically for the size and usage of your room. Another factor is the layout of the absorptive elements and the reflective or diffusive elements for your room. This has a very significant role to play on the psychoacoustics of how you experience sound in the room. The simplest example I can give you is in the form of a question. Imagine you're in a room where of the 6 surfaces around you, the walls, the floor, and the ceiling, 5 are completely absorptive, but the 6th surface is completely reflective, like a flat wooden or cement wall. Now, would there be a difference when listening to your speakers between the reflective wall being the entire front wall or alternatively being the entire back wall? If intuitively you recognize that there would be a difference, then you've opened yourself up to the correlation between acoustic design layout and its consequence on psychoacoustics, and the possibilities of how absorption and reflection in different shapes, sizes, and positions of a room can have a significant impact on acoustics, thus leading to certain acoustic designs sounding significantly better compared to others. To conclude, here are some uncomfortable truths about the alternatives to room acoustic treatment that are being promoted but will do you little good. 1. Room correction software does not work. While this of course requires a much deeper dive than we have time for in this video, I'll leave you with a white paper from Sonarworks, now known as Sound ID Reference, which admits that many acoustic problems, particularly in the low frequencies, cannot be solved with room correction software, only with acoustic treatment. 2. No matter how high-end, no monitoring system can deliver clean and clear reproduction of sound in an untreated or poorly treated room. Alternatively, prioritizing good acoustics can deliver cleaner sound in every stage of production, from the recording capture quality all the way to the final master, even when using entry-level microphones or monitoring systems. If you're interested in high-performance acoustic panels on a budget, check out E-Flat's future series of acoustic panels. Our client testimonials are also available on the website. And for world-class complete room designs, check out PerfBass Advanced Acoustics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Until next time, sound better and mix smarter.